Running a business is hard. Creating beautiful on-brand content doesn't have to be. I'm partnering with Adobe Express to show you some new AI tools that will free up your time so you can focus on your business and do what you do best. First up, we have Clipmaker. If you've got some long-form video, a recorded interview, or a great Zoom call recording, and you don't want to spend hours scrubbing through footage to find the best bits, this is for you. Here's how it works. You upload your long-form video to Clipmaker, toggle the captions on or off, then hit Generate Clips and let Clipmaker do its thing. You'll get a handful of scroll-stopping clips auto-created for you. There are lots of eye-catching captions to choose from too. And yes, you can also customize the colors to match your brand. The best part? All of your clips stay neatly organized in one workspace, ready to edit, repurpose, post, or schedule. If your audio needs a little love, maybe there's some background noise or a bit of echo, Enhanced Speech can level up your audio like a pro without you needing complex plugins or software. Simply select the clip you want to clean up, select Enhanced Speech, and the AI will smooth it out, remove the noise, and give it a polished feel. You can also adjust the intensity. Let me show you the difference.
Here's what it sounds like speaking into the mic in my home office without any sound treatment applied.
And here's what it sounds like now with Enhanced Speech applied. There's less harshness, no background noise, and cleaner audio. Unlike other clipping tools that cut based on movement or scene changes in your video, Adobe Express's Clipmaker listens to your audio. It picks up on natural pauses and sound bites so you get smooth, ready-to-share clips, not awkward mid-sentence cuts. Next up, we have Generate Similar. You can take one starting image like this and turn it into an entire collection of matching visuals. It helps keep everything looking cohesive and on brand without you needing to design each image from scratch. To do this, start by selecting the image you want to use as your reference. In the left-hand panel, click Generate Similar. Add a prompt that describes what you'd like the new image to look like. Click Generate and Adobe Express will create a set of AI-powered variations for you. Browse the results and pick your favorite, or click Generate More to explore more options. When you've found the one that you like, hit Done. You can also choose to keep both images or replace the original with the new version. It's an easy way to scale your visual content, keep things looking polished, and stay creatively consistent across your brand. Need background footage but don't feel like scrolling through 37 pages of stock video sites? Yeah, same, I've been there. That's where Generate Video comes in. Open your design in Adobe Express, head to the Generative AI section in the left-hand panel, click on the Video tab and select Generate Video. Type in a prompt describing the kind of footage you want. You can also add a starting image to guide the look and feel. Hit Generate. Each video is about 5 seconds long, perfect for background loops, B-roll, or just making your content feel more alive and dynamic. And the best part? The footage is commercially safe to use, so you won't have any licensing or copyright headaches. Okay, so this one isn't completely an AI feature, but it still feels like magic. It's called dynamic animation. And with a single click, it brings your images to life. It's giving movement, energy, main character vibes, perfect for standing out on social media without hiring a motion designer. Just select the image you want to animate. From the edit bar, select animation, select dynamic animation, and watch it come alive. You can also adjust some of the effects to suit your preferences. I've tried a lot of AI tools, but these new AI features in Adobe Express, they're on another level. Hands down, in my opinion, one of the easiest ways to create pro-looking content with less effort. What's your favorite time-saving tool in Adobe Express? Let me know in the comments, and if you haven't tried these yet, check out the link in the pinned comment to try Adobe Express for free.